Good morning, student. Today we have to discuss about the partnership accounting for partnership basic concept. Previous we have discussed the meaning and features of partnership form and the meaning and contents of partnership deed, and in the absence of partnership deed, then how do you treat the followings and all. Then today the maintenance of capital account of a partner. All the transactions relating to the partners are going to be, relating to the partners of the firm are recorded in their books of books of the firm through the capital account only. It includes all the amount of money brought in the capital, salary, commissions, interest on drawings, interest on capital, profit and loss appropriations, everything should be included where in the case of maintaining the partner's capital account separately. And here there are the two methods can be maintained in the partnership form, that is called fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Previous year they asked the two marks questions for the student annual examinations. What are the methods of maintaining a capital account of a partner anta? Okay, what are the methods of maintaining capital account of a partner ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಓದ್ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್? Meaning of fixed capital method is the method under which the capital of the partners shall remain fixed year after year. Okay, it will changes only when here the what we say that changes in additional capital introduced, fresh capital introduced. Okay, otherwise it may not be changed. Okay, and under this method the two accounts are maintained of each partner. There are the two accounts are maintained. First one, partner's capital account and partner's current account. Where in the case of fixed capital method, two accounts are maintained. Partner's capital account and partner's current account, two accounts are maintained. In the partner's capital account, only the capital balance with the additional capital brought and withdrawal of the capital only recorded. Additional capital brought and withdrawal of the capital and only capital are recorded. In partner's capital account, both all means interest on capital, salary, commissions, profit and loss appropriation account, drawings, interest on drawings, and then we close this. This is the partner's capital account, maintaining partner's capital account under fixed capital method. What do you mean by fluctuating capital method? Fluctuating capital method also is the method under which the capital of the partners fluctuate or changes from year to year. Under this method only one account is going to be maintained, that is a capital account. Only one account is maintained, that is a capital account. Okay, then all the adjustments such as share of profit and loss, interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, commissions of the partners are recorded in the book. Okay, everything should be recorded here. We should not take the balance, okay, capital of the partners. Okay, let us the difference between the partner's capital account and the partner's current account. What are the difference you will going to draw in the case of partner's capital account and fixed capital account and fluctuating capital account. Fixed capital account and fluctuating capital account. Then basic first the difference, or we can say there is a distinguish between the fixed capital method and the fluctuating capital method. There is a 2 marks questions might be asked here. The number of accounts, where in the case of fixed capital method 2 accounts are maintained. In fluctuation capital method only one account are maintained. The 2 accounts are partner's capital account and partner's current account are maintained. Partner's capital account and partner's current account are maintained. In this fluctuating capital system only partner's capital accounts are maintained. Partner's capital accounts are maintained. Okay, only partner's capital account. Adjustments, where in the case of adjustments each partner has one account. Each partner has a one account here. See the number of accounts. Under this method, two separate accounts are maintained for each partner, and here under this method, each partners can one account, has a one account, and here the adjustments means all the adjustments for drawings, salary, interest on drawings, or etc. are made in the current account. Here interest on capital, salary, commission, profit and loss appropriation account, drawings, interest on drawings are made in a partner's current account. Adjustments are made in a partner's current account. Here also the same thing. All adjustments of the drawing, salary, interest on capital and capital account also going to be maintained here. All adjustments including capital. Nature of balance here. The nature of balance, the capital account balance usually remains unchanged. It is always unchanged, or it is a fixed balance. Where in the case of nature of balance here, it is fluctuate or it is changed. It is changed or fluctuate year to year. It is not changed year after year. It is remains fixed, and the nature of balance it is remains changed. And types of balance here. The types of balance, the capital account always shows the credit balance here. It always shows a credit balance, where in the case of fluctuating capital system, fluctuating capital method, there it shows debit balance, may shows debit balance, it may shows debit or credit balance, debit or credit both. See that once again, the difference between number of accounts each partner maintain. Here the number of account, two accounts are maintained by each partner, partner's capital account and partner's current account. Here in a fluctuating capital system, only one account are maintained, that is partner's capital account. The adjustments here, all adjustments are made, interest on drawing, interest on capital, salary, commission, profit and loss appropriation and all. Here also all including capital. It is the amount unchanged, it is changed, wherein the fluctuating, and it shows the credit balance, it may shows the debit or credit balance. Then pro forma of partner's capital account under the partner's capital and partner's current account under the fixed capital method. This is a partner's current account. The practical oriented questions, POQ. Practical oriented questions, this one and this one is very, very important. They will ask the questions. Practical oriented questions maybe ask in the annual examinations. So then prepare two partners current account under a fixed capital method with the 5 imaginary figure for practical oriented. Prepare two partners current account, A and B. Two partners current account, prepare two partners current account under fixed capital method with 5 imaginary figure. Then interest on, see that a partner have a capital A, here the partner's capital account A, here particular rupees A, rupees B, rupees, these are all two partners A and B, and the balance brought down A 2 lakhs, B 3 lakhs. See, by bank account, if further capital introduced, here is not there, then you should put it dash and total make it this. And here the two bank account, if capital withdrawn, if a capital withdrawn is there, so it is also not there, then we should put it the dash. Then here A's capital 2 lakhs, B's capital 3 lakhs, and A's capital 2 lakh and 3 lakh, and close the balance 2 lakhs with and 3 lakhs. This is only the credit balance of A 2 lakhs and B 3 lakhs balance brought down. By balance brought down, 3 lakhs and all. The same here, partner's current account is going to be maintained. Partner's current account ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು partners ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು 20,000 30,000. ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಎ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಪರ್ ಆ್ಯನಮ್. ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಪರ್ ಆ್ಯನಮ್ 30,000 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೀಸ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಪರ್ ಆ್ಯನಮ್ 40,000. ದೆನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 10,000 20,000. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 60,000, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 90,000. 60,000 90,000 ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಎ 30,000 withdrawn and B 15,000 withdrawn. Interest on drawings 5,000 and 7,000. Here the 60,000 and 90,000 same amount you should be right here also, 60,000 and 90,000. 60,000 among the 60,000 you should deduct 15,000, 10,000 plus 5,000. ಅಂದರೆ 60,000ರಲ್ಲಿ 5,000 ಮತ್ತು ಏನು 10,000 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 45,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 90,000ರಲ್ಲಿ 15,000 ಮತ್ತು 7,000 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 48,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು 5 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡಿಗೆ. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡಿಗೆ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ನಾನೇನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಗೇ ಬರೀರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂಕಗಳು 5ಕ್ಕೆ 5 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ದಿ 2 partners capital account under fluctuating capital system with a 5 imaginary figure. Prepare the 2 partners capital account under fluctuating capital system, fluctuating capital system anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, with 5 imaginary figure ಅಂತ. partners capital account A and B, here debit side partners capital account particulars A B rupees and rupees, and credit side particulars A rupees B rupees. ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಡೌನ್, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಬ್ರದ್ದು ಎದು 2 lakhs ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿದು 3 lakhs ಇದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ 20,000 30,000. A's salary 30,000, B's commission 40,000, A by profit and loss appropriation account A 10,000, B 20,000. Both club together 2,20,000, 30,000 and 10,000, 2,60,000 A's capital total, and B's total capital account 3,90,000. Among that you should deduct drawings. Here the 10,000 A, interest on drawing 5,000, deduct ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 15,000, 2,60,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 15,000 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2,45,000 is the balance. And here also 3,90,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 15,000 and 7,000 you should deduct from 3,90,000, you will get 3,68,000. 3,68,000 is a closing balance. ಈ ಥರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, and 2 balance brought down 2,45,000 and 3,68,000 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ you should going to be get 5 marks. ಇದನ್ನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ 4 ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಸೈಡ್ 1 ಇನ್ ದಿ ಆಬ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಅದು ಒಂದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ, so prepare the 2 partners capital account under fixed capital method, and prepare the partners current account under fixed capital method, and prepare the 2 partners capital account under fluctuating capital method. ಇವು 3 ಆದವು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. 4 ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವು 4 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ, 90% ಬರುವಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. See dear student, next the topic is called profit and loss appropriations account. The profit and loss appropriation account is very very important for your examination point of view for 6 marks questions. Let us, there is a meaning of profit and loss appropriation account is very important. Profit and loss appropriation account is merely the extension of profit and loss account of the firm, and it's a start with the net profit and shows the profit are appropriated or distributed among the partners, and all the adjustments in respect of the partner's salary, partner's commission, interest on capital and interest on drawings are made through this account. Okay, this is what the profit and loss appropriation account is, a merely extension of profit and loss account and of the firm, and it is stored with the net profit. It is stored with the net profit and shows the balances of shows the how the profit are appropriated are distributed among the partners, and it adjusts with the in the respect of the partner's salary, partner's commission, and profit transfer to the partner's capital account. We can go to the profit and loss appropriation account format. Format in the sense, first we would like to go profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending. Here debit side, particulars amount, credit side, particulars amount. Okay, this is credit side. If you want to be get format for 5 marks practical oriented questions, profit and loss account XXX and interest on drawings here X XXX, Y XXX, and make it put it here and all. Then same interest on capital also the same debit side. Interest on capital debit side, salary debit side, commission debit side, profit transfer to the partner's capital account, it is also debit side. Only 2 items that are credit side, profit and loss, profit of the business. Let us today, I would like to take one example or one problem for this profit and loss account, how to prepare. See that the 2 partners, that is called X and Y are the partners. X and Y are the partners. Write down the problems here. X and Y are the partners. Commenced partnership business on 1/4/2019. X and Y are the partners. Write down all. Okay, X and Y are the partners. Commenced partnership business on 1/4/2019, showing the profit and loss in the ratio of what? 3:2. Okay, 3:2 ratio. With the capital of rupees how much? 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Yeah, this is X. And with the capital of rupees 1,50,000 and 1 lakh respectively, means this is X 1,50,000 and Y 1 lakh capital. ಅಂದ್ರೆ X and Y ಇಬ್ರು ಎರಡು ಮತ್ತು 3 ಅಥವಾ 2 ಅನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರು ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ? X 1,50,000 ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, Y 1 lakh ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್, ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅವರು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 48,000. ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 48,000 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇದೆ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಇಯರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿ ಅಲೋವಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 48,000 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ? 10%. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ 10% per annum. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 2,000, X 2,500, Y 2,000, and commission payable to X 5,000 per annum, and salary payable to Y 4,000 per annum, and in partners drawing X 25,000, Y 25,000, and from the above prepare the profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2020. Now you should prepare the profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2020. First and main important point you should see, if you want to be entered in a credit side profit and loss account, you see that profit first. You see that profit is given in the problem. You see the profit, then you write here by profit and loss account 48,000. This is the first point. You be remembered. First see the profit. Second, you see the interest on drawings. ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೇನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ clear in here, clear this adjustments. Okay, the interest on drawings X 2,500, Y 2,000. You should both club together 4,500. ಎರಡು ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. Only 2 items, credit side, profit and loss account, and interest on drawings. Enough. Come to this debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on capital. Interest on capital. Capital is given 1,50,000 and 1 lakh. Here interest on capital, how much percentage? 10%. Okay, you see that interest on capital 10% per annum. So the X capital how much? 1,50,000 into 10 divided by 100, you will get a 15,000. And Y capital 1 lakh, 10% ಇದೆ, 10 divided by 100 you will get a 10,000. Both add, you should get 25,000. ಅವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 25,000 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 1,50,000ರಲ್ಲಿ 10% ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 15,000 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು, ವೈದು 1 ಲಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 10% ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10,000, ಟೋಟಲ್ 25,000 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಟು ವೈ ಆನ್ಯುವಲಿ ಪರ್ ಆನಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 4,000 ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಪೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು 5,000 ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ 52,500. 52,500 ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 52,500 ಇದೆ. ಆ 52,500 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25,000, 4,000 ಅಂಡ್ 5,000 ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 18,500 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 18,500 ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3:2 ರೇಷಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಲಾಭ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಬ್ರು ಹಂಚ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾರು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ. should be the profit 18,500 is distributed to the x and y in the ratio of 3:2. The next x capital 18,500 into 3 divided by 5. 3:2 means 3 plus 2 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, 3ರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಭಾಗ, ಸಾರಿ 5ರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಭಾಗ ಯಾರಿಗೆ? x ಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ 5ರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಭಾಗ ಯಾರಿಗೆ? y ಗೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 11,100 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇವ್ರದ್ದು 7,400 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ 18,500 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳೋಣ, ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್.